What's he doing? Say hi. You like the camera, huh? You like it? Yeah? Yeah? Boo! You're so full of energy. Look at you go. Aboo. Are you sleepy? Is it almost bedtime? Is it almost bedtime?
Allergies can really affect your day. That's why I need to be Claritin Clear. Claritin gives me powerful relief and won't make me drowsy. You know,
You're so funny.
drowsiness may occur right on its label. I'll take non-drowsy Claritin and live Claritin.
Is that your hand? Where'd you find your hand? Really? Yeah? You're funny. Say bye-bye. Say bye, see you. Oh. Say bye, see you. Close enough.